Anytime you want to share a form with your colleagues, you want to make sure that they always make a copy of it before they use it. To do that, you click on the three dots in the upper corner, click on Add Collaborators, and then where it says Private Only You Can Access, click Change, choose Anyone with a Link, and it says Can Edit. You click Save, and then you copy this URL, and then you want to paste it somewhere where you can edit it. So an easy thing to do is just paste it in a new Google Doc. So I'm going to paste it here. So when you look at this URL, you look for the word edit, and everything after it needs to go away, and it needs to be replaced with the word copy. So this new URL then is what you would share with your colleagues, and when they click it, it will force them to make a copy of it so that they have their own copy.